All right, today we have the Champions Path Elite Trainer Box. Let's get this thing opened up. We got it from StockX, and their process is pretty interesting. You go on their website, you find what you want to buy, and they get shipment from the people who are selling it. And once they get the shipment, they verify its authenticity, make sure it's all real, make sure you're not getting scammed. So I thought that was pretty interesting. We paid, what was it, $79 or so for this box. MSRP for this box is around like 40 or 50, so we did overpay. But again, I just really wanted to get this box. I really wanted to start my Pokemon long-term portfolio, is what we're calling it. Our alternative asset portfolio. So, comes with a player's guide. That's pretty cool. We'll keep that. And let's get this open. Man, I love the artwork on this box. Kind of want to just keep this box. Okay, so comes with the Pokemon trading card game rules. We'll probably take a look at that later. All right, let's see what's inside. So it should come with 10 booster packs. Champions Path booster packs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Cool. So we will open these in a moment. Let's see what else is in this pack. Comes with your energy cards. It's always good to have. And it comes with these sleeves. I've always heard that the trainer box sleeves that come with Pokemon cards aren't the best, but they always look the coolest. Oh yeah, these are... What? Look, they're all bent. What? That's not supposed to be like that, huh? But, I mean, they look cool. That's a shame. Those are very bent. Wow. All right, and we have this for you guys. And every trainer box comes with this Charizard V. I've heard that they have really bad print jobs on them, so we'll see what we got here. You know what? I think I'll just keep it in this. Yeah, I'll just keep it sealed. And it comes with dividers as well. Those are cool to have. You can divide your deck up. Comes with these dice. Comes with these. That's everything inside of the box. So let's open up these 10 booster packs. Let's see what we get. Again, we are just building up our Pokemon long-term portfolio. Man, I've opened up so many booster packs and I still don't know how to open them. For you guys. 1, 2, 3, 4. And let's see what we got. Energy card. Liepard. Team Yell Grunt. A Machoke. A Zigzagoon. Scraggy. Rockruff. Vulpix. Linoon. Oh man, it's starting. I'm not going to be able to pronounce these. Turf Field Stadium. Reverse Holographic. followed by Lycanroc, holographic. Right, as always, we'll put the holographics and reverse holographics over there. We'll stack these. We'll put these right over here. And this is trash. And we got another booster pack. Let's see if I can open this one smoother than the others. Wow. I feel like they make these childproof, so your kids can't open them. There you go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bloop. Bloop. We got our Energy, Sonia, Rotom Bike, Sharpedo, Sizzlepede, Zigzagoon, Scraggy, Rockruff, Vulpix again, and a reverse holographic Scrappity, followed by a Hatterene holographic. Alright, we'll put that there, put these there, put that there. On to the next one. Dude. You know how many videos I've watched where people just open this stuff like with one hand? That is for you. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bloop. Fire Energy. Rotom Phone. Malamar. Turf Field Stadium again. Scraggy. And a Pokeball. Followed by a Nickit. A Hadina. A Swablu. And a reverse holographic Scraggy. And another Scrappity. Okay. Next. I'm going to be adding up the total value just to see how we did. That's for you. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we got our Energy, Turf Field Stadium again, Beedrill, Great Ball, Ekans, Potion, Vulpix again, and an Inkay, and another Pokeball, and a Sizzlepede reverse holographic, followed by a Gardevoir V. Gardevoir V full art. Very cool. So, we'll put that over there. We'll put that over there. And we'll put these over here. Stop moving. On to the next one. One, two, three, 4. Bloop. Got our energy card. Got a Milo. Absol. Great Ball. Nickit. Inkay. Roly-Coly. Sizzlepede. Purrlion. And a reverse holographic Marine. Followed by a holographic Machamp. I like that. All right, next card. Let's see what we get out of this pack. Dude, I swear I'm going to break these cards in half the way I'm opening these packs. There you go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bloop. Water Energy, Beedrill, Rotom Phone, Milo, Zigzagoon, Trubbish, Full Heal, Sizzlepede, Purrlion again, and a Weedle. Looks like Claymation art reverse holographic, followed by a Altaria. I thought that said Altria. I was like, shout out MO. Long-term divvy. Next pack. Right, 1, 2, 3, 4. Flip. Energy, Hatterum, Sonia, Beedrill, Rockruff, and a Purrlion again, a Lanoon, a Sizzlepede, a Hatina, and a reverse holographic Ekans, followed by another holographic Marine. Really curious to see if I just store these away, keep them in good condition, what kind of value I can retain. What I'm interested in here is to have a like a long-term collection, essentially. Collectibles long-term portfolio to go along with my handy-dandy stock portfolio. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bloop. And we start off with our energy, a Pokemon Center Lady, Turf Field, Hop, Zigzagoon, Weedle, Purrlion, Pokeball, NK, Zigzagoon Reverse Holographic, followed by Obstagoon, regular holographic. So we'll put these away. Man, we only got one V card. This was not an impressive pack opening compared to my last one. Well, I mean, we did get that Charizard V card that comes with every pack. One, two, three, four. Bloop. And we got our energy card, a Piers, a Team Yell Grunt, a Hop, a Nickit, a Swablu, a Machamp, a Zigzagoon, a Vulpix, another Machamp, okay, and a Zygarde holographic. Why did we get two Machamps? Weird. Last but not least, let's see what is in the last booster pack. One, two, three, four. Bloop. And we got our energy, we got our Team Yell Grunt, we got our Betty, we got our Sharpedo, we got our Carvanha. We got our Swablu, we got our Vulpix, we got our Trubbish, and a Roly-Coly, and another Roly-Coly reverse holographic, followed by another Altria. Alright, so that is all of the cards that we got from this Elite Trainer booster box. Well, it's not a booster box, the training box thing that comes with a bunch of cool stuff. Let's see what the value of those are. We can pull up the value of this thing. This one looks nice. And last but not least, the Charizard that comes in every pack. So we'll keep those nice and safe. We will add those to our long-term Pokemon collection. We'll see how this goes.